Hi, it's Chris again. This is the Gretsch G9511 Parlor size from their Gretsch Roots collection. They brought back the script logo, which I had mentioned previously had been discontinued, I think in the late 40s, when they went to the block lettering, which has been their trademark since then. Anyway, this was a salvage from All Music over in Nassau. Had some bridge issues, so I replaced the original ebony bridge with something out of the Stu Mac catalog. Replaced the bridge and saddle with something a bit broader than what it was intended for. Dropped in the Power Pins 2.0 to anchor it down a little bit better, and seems to help with the articulation and sustain. These are flat wounds. Let me know what you think.